In the realm of electrical inject current, DC, to alternating current, AC, is a fundamental process essential for various applications, from household electronics to renewable energy systems. The challenge lies in creating efficient, reliable, and cost-effective methods to achieve this conversion. This video explores three primary methods for converting DC to AC, focusing on both traditional and innovative techniques. 1. Method to convert square voltage wave to sine wave. One of the most straightforward methods for converting DC to AC involves generating a square voltage wave and then transforming it into a sine wave. This can be accomplished using a square pulse multivibrator circuit. The circuit produces square pulses when voltage is applied from the DC source, resulting in two output signals. To convert these square pulses into a sine wave, a combination of coils and capacitors is used. The components charge and discharge alternately, smoothing the square wave into a pure sinusoidal wave. This method is simple and cost-effective, making it ideal for educational purposes and small-scale applications. However, the output capacity is typically low, limiting its use for high power requirements. 2. Other unique methods using electronic components. Using insulated gate bipolar transistor, IGBT. An advanced approach to generating sine wave AC power is through the use of insulated gate bipolar transistors, IGBTs. IGBTs, invented by Hans W. Beck and Carl F. Wheatley in 1982, are three-terminal power semiconductor devices that combine the fast switching capability of MOSFETs with the load handling capacity of traditional transistors. This method allows for the generation of AC power with frequencies higher than the standard 50 to 60 Hz, offering improved efficiency and performance. The IGBT's ability to switch rapidly and handle large loads makes it suitable for industrial applications and high-capacity inverters. Using a 555 timer IC. Another effective technique involves using a 555 timer IC to generate a square pulse voltage, which is then converted to AC with a sinusoidal signal through coils and capacitors. The 555 timer IC offers flexibility, allowing for adjustments based on the parameters of the capacitors and resistors used in the circuit. This method is highly practical for educational experiments and small-scale applications due to its simplicity and the ease of obtaining precise control over the output signal. It is a valuable tool for students and researchers exploring the principles of AC signal generation. 3. Inverter, a simple way for practical conversion purposes. For practical and widespread applications, inverters remain the most efficient and user-friendly solution for converting DC to AC. Inverters are readily available on e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and AliExpress, catering to a range of power requirements and budgets. Inverters are particularly useful for converting DC power from batteries or solar panels into AC power for household appliances and industrial equipment. They provide a quick and reliable means of achieving high-capacity AC power, making them indispensable for modern energy systems. Conclusion. The conversion of DC to AC is a crucial process in both educational and practical applications. Methods such as converting square voltage waves to sine waves, utilizing IGBTs, and employing 555 timer ICs offer various advantages depending on the specific requirements of the task. However, for most practical purposes, inverters provide the most efficient and accessible solution. For further details on circuits and applications, refer to resources like the Ultimate Energizer Guide blog, which offers comprehensive insights into the intricacies of DC to AC conversion and its various methodologies. Whether for academic research, industrial use, or household applications, understanding these conversion techniques is essential for leveraging the full potential of electrical and electronic systems.
And finally, we have a gift for you that is tricks to reduce your electricity bill by at least 75%. And the way to complete energy independence, get rid of the monopoly of big energy, you will never have to pay for electricity. Method, amplify electricity to make output power greater than input power. See link in description. Thanks for watching.